Hey everyone, this is Max Edson, co-founder of Priced, and I'm here to give you land tip number 54 on how to use our Lasso tool to create a multi-polygon search. So on our search page, instead of putting in something in the search bar, what you want to do again is go to our mapping icon. That's going to bring you to our Lasso tool. So it's going to show you a map of the United States, and then I could zoom into a place that I want to kind of go and target. So let's say the San Bernardino area, and let's say the city of Victorville. So I want to go and look for records on, let's say, the east side and the west side, but I don't want to target the city itself. And this is where I can do this, where I can select the Lasso tool, and then I can go and make one polygon on, let's say, the east side of town, and then make sure I'm closing it up. And then I'm already on the Lasso tool, and so I can just go and then start selecting another area, let's say on the west side. So I can go through here and then again put the perimeters in. So now I have two different polygons that I can pull records from while I'm still skipping the middle area. So this is where you can use, again, the Lasso tool to create multi-polygon functions. Once I have that, you just want to click submit, and then you could open up the advanced search criteria, put in the rest of your criteria if you want, and then click search. And then once you get to the next page, that's where you can get and then download all your data from there. So please like, share, subscribe if you want to learn more, and enjoy.